Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to talk about the unit circle. We started our talk on the unit circle when we were working on our plates during class. And so looking at the unit circle, it's called the unit circle because it has a center at 0, 0 and a radius of 1. Going to use the unit circle along with our two special right triangles. We have our 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. And then our 30, 60, 90 triangle. For our 45, 45, 90 triangle, we have legs of length 1 and a hypotenuse of 2. So 45 degrees is always going to have a length of 1 opposite. And then the hypotenuse on this is always going to be the square root of 2 in the unit circle. For our 30, 60, 90 triangle, 30 is opposite a length of 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and 60 is opposite a length of square root of 3. So 30 degrees, opposite 1, 60 degrees, opposite square root of 3, and hypotenuse is 2. You will want to make sure that you memorize these because we will be using them quite a bit for the rest of this unit. When we're looking at the unit circle and we start our next process, cosine is always going to be in our x direction. Sine is always going to be in our y direction. And tangent can be found by doing sine over cosine or y over x. So we're going to put the two plates that we made in class together onto one big circle. I'm going to start with our degrees. So we have 0 degrees, 30, 60 degrees. Oops, sorry about that. Skip the 45. 45, 60, 90, 120, 135, 150, 180, 210, 225, 240, 270, 300, 315, 330, and 360. On the inside are going to be our radian measures. We have 0 or 0 pi. It says pi over 6, pi over 4, pi over 3, pi over 2, 2 pi over 3, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 6, 1 pi, 7 pi over 6, 5 pi over 4, 4 pi over 3, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 3, 7 pi over 4, and 11 pi over 6, ending at 2 pi. I'm not going to worry very much about the ordered pairs on the outsides, except for 4 of them. Our ordered pair over here at 0 degrees, 0 pi is 1, 0. Because remember, our unit circle has a radius of 1. So this point right here is 1, 0. Remember, this is also the radius. So this point here would be 0, 1. Again, the radius. This is all the radius all through here. But specifically on these 4 areas, this is -1, 0. And then down here at 270 is 0, -1. Again, remember, sine is y and cosine is x. This is still quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. This is where we're going to stop today. We will fill in these ordered pairs as we work through this section and section 9.5. Have a great night.